She rises from adversity, but never forgets her origin.
She learns from her past and continues going forward, even when her steps get heavy.
She transforms her pain into strength and wisdom.
Yes, she may stumble. Yes, sometimes she falls. But just as the sun always rises, so too does a powerful woman.
She's equipped with an intuition that guides her course like a compass.
She strives to love herself and all that she stands for, with a fierce loyalty, even when it's difficult.
She's not afraid to seek truth, even when it hurts.
She is passionate and uses her gifts to spread light and love.
She is resilient, headstrong, and determined.
She refuses to be navigated by fear and doubt.
She knows where she's been, where she is, and where she's headed.
As she uplifts other women, she is authentic and humble.
She loves deeply, lives with compassion, and is unapologetic.
She is a powerful woman.